How can a simple piece of plastic improve your photography? Stick around and find out. Hey guys, what's going on? Miles here with an all-new photography video. In this video, we are going to be checking out this little piece of plastic right here. This is a lens hood and it can save you countless hours of editing. Now remember too, if you have not done so already, make sure to click that subscribe button down below, guys. I would really appreciate it. And let's dive in and check out why you want to use a lens hood. Alrighty guys, so starting off, if you have ever noticed this in one of your photos, this is called lens glare or lens flare. This happens when a light source reflects off the glass of your lens, causing a rainbow spectrum or a little dot of light to show up on your photos. Now this is super annoying, especially if you try to edit it out in post-production. It is almost impossible to get rid of and it can completely wreck your photos. Now lucky for us, camera manufacturers have started to notice this annoyance and they produce these little guys right here. This is called a lens hood and it stops light from reflecting off the side of the lens. This is a super great tool to use, especially if you notice a lot of glare or flare in your photography. Now one question I seem to get asked all the time is, when should I use a lens hood? Now personally, I leave a lens hood on 100% of the time. I'd rather be safe than sorry, and I've had too many photos lost from unwanted glare and flare. Now attaching a lens hood is fairly simple. First thing you want to do is make sure you are using the correct size lens hood, as lens hoods do come in all shapes and sizes. To make sure that you have the correct lens hood for the lens that you will be using, simply look your lens up online, and usually somewhere in the article you will find a section that explains what type of lens hood you should be using, as well as usually a link to where you can go and purchase the correct size lens hood for your lens. Now once you're ready to attach the lens hood to the lens, simply find the indicator on both the lens hood and the lens, attach them together and turn clockwise. This will securely fasten the lens hood to the lens. Now once you're ready to remove the lens hood, simply do the same steps in reverse and the lens hood will pop right off. Now one tip I do have for you is, if you do like to store your camera lenses in a bag, simply flip the lens hood upside down and mount it to the lens. This allows for easy storage in any camera bag. So there you have it guys, a quick look at the benefits of using a lens hood. Now remember too, if you have not done so already, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. I appreciate all the support guys, and I will be catching you in the next video. Alrighty guys, peace!